And this is their O-Lock case. This one specifically works with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's designed to protect your smartphone, but also has some beautiful ULANZI red buttons. Also, I love inside here, there's this little spot where you can have your little key to access the SIM cards, and you can even put your SIM cards right here in case like you're traveling internationally. That is such a good idea and placement for your smartphone case. Like, I'm gonna use that all the time. There is a little magnetic spot for some of ULANZI's filters that you can pop on there. And there's this little kickstand here that props out, and you can set this thing on your desk, and that's always nice and fun to watch videos like that. But mainly, this thing is designed to work with their O-Lock system. There's so many accessories that have the O-Lock system. It's really good to get into. But then they have these little attachments right here, and that's where you can use ULANZI's little shutter grip that pops on there. So you can pop this thing on, and now you have a shutter grip, so you can hold it like this. It's got the Bluetooth button to start and stop videos and also take photos. And also that little button is removable, so you can be remote with this thing. So if you have this set up somewhere and you're taking a group photo, you can just hit that and take the photo instead of having to set the timer and trying to run into place. There's also a quarter thread mount on the side and on the bottom, so you can have extra extensions and tripods in case you want to have it set up a certain way, or even like a selfie stick. And I like how there's this little locking mechanism down here, so you can lock this thing so you don't have to worry about it popping off. But when it's unlocked, it's easy to remove. You just press and then pop it off. It's really cool. It's a really good, sleek shutter grip, especially with this case and that O-Lock system.